Good day, GIS lovers. Welcome to this online course of ArcGIS Online. Do you want to learn WebGIS and ArcGIS Online? Then this course is for you. If you don't know any web programming languages, then don't worry, because this course will make you from zero to hero in WebGIS and ArcGIS Online. Now let's see what type of WebGIS interface we can develop after completing this course by using ArcGIS Online platform. Section 1 Introduction Lecture 1 Introducing ArcGIS Online. After completing this lecture, you will learn what type of dynamic WebGIS interface we can develop by using ArcGIS Online. Features inside ArcGIS Online WebGIS interface. Pop-up window in Web Map, layer transparency, map measurement tools, web map sharing. In here, we are going to learn what type of WebGIS interface we can develop by using ArcGIS Online. ArcGIS Online provides us many dynamic tools and options to create our WebGIS interface. This WebGIS interface has fully developed by using only ArcGIS Online, which provide us many options without knowing any web programming language. So, if you don't know any web programming language, then don't worry. You are most welcome to start ArcGIS Online, which provides you many by default options and dynamic options to create your WebGIS map with many dynamic interface. Now let's see what we have in our this WebGIS interface, which is developed by using ArcGIS Online. ArcGIS Online provides us to add shapefile layers. Not only that, also with pop-up window in where we can see the attributes of each features of a layer. This is a layer. We can also check uncheck any layer by using this option. Even we can add legend also. There are two types of legends in this layer. Not only that, we can add more than one layer. In here, I have added many layers. Say this one, this one, this one, this one also. Here is a polyline layer and also polygon layer. So we can add three types of layer which we are already using in our ArcGIS desktop: point, line, and polygon with check uncheck options. In here we can see it provides us also add label. These are the labels of these layers. Even we can also create transparency in any layer. Do you want to see that? Here we can increase the opacity level or decrease this. Is not it very dynamic? You don't need any web programming language. You can create this interface and these options without knowing any programming language. ArcGIS Online provides us use options like this. Here is the pop-up window of this layer, and these are more dynamic features. Let's see one by one. In here, we have search option in our base map. Say, I am going to search Dhaka. Here is Dhaka. We can see the legends also in here. If we check another layer, say land use, by clicking these tools, we can see one by one features on this right side. Here the legend, here we have layers options, Even we can also change the base map from base map gallery. So it provides us base map. You will get many base maps in your WebGIS interface. One more interesting option is Overview Map, which is more dynamic for web map panning options. You can create all of these interface tools by using ArcGIS Online. But if you know any web programming language, then you can create more better, more dynamic options in your ArcGIS Online interface. But this interface is created by using no programming languages. Here we have another options. If we click next, we can also add detail of this map. If we pan another area and if we click default extent, it will move again in our that home area. Do you want to need more? Do you need more from ArcGIS Online? Then definitely you will get there. See this interface. This is also created by using ArcGIS Online. You can add measure options. Say, I want to measure this area. It provides the area in square miles, or you can change the unit. Not only that, you can add more dynamic options in your pop-up window. Here we have share option also. You can share your this WebGIS map in Facebook, Twitter, Google+. Even you can embed your map. You can print this map also. Here is the print options. One more interesting thing is, see this administrator boundary. It provides you many dynamic symbology of line feature, point feature, polygon features. This line boundary symbology has been created in ArcGIS Online. So this is the power of ArcGIS Online. You don't need any web programming language, but if you know any web programming language, you can create more better than this interface. So you are most welcome to learn our ArcGIS Online course. Enjoy GIS. Thank you.